licensing is an issue. I don't care if it's your
Yes.
line of business site licensing or if it's Microsoft licensing,
Yes.
because there are certain licensing types that do not transfer between on-prem and in the cloud. So if you're in a
Yes.
migration or you know you're going to migrate, and I know not a lot of people are under a SPLA licensing. Most people don't even know what it is, service provider license agreement from Microsoft, but it does not come with hybrid use benefits. So you
Right.
can't take your SQL server that's on-prem, and if in the next 6 months or so you go, oh, well, we're going to move that license into Azure, you got to
Correct.
rebuy the license. It doesn't exist that way, as opposed to like CSP, which is mainly what we do as an organization, and where most of the world is these days. It comes with a hybrid use benefit. So if you
Yes.
know you're going to move, that's perfect. I don't have to rebuy that license. I can go. And it's similar with even Nutanix and some others that they have. Here's your licensing for your on-prem, but if you're going to use us in a DR or a bursting situation into the cloud, here's that licensing component, and they take into consideration that you're going to go between the two. So that's the one thing I
Yeah.
would bring up. I
And
don't know if you have a
Microsoft's
comment.
changed a lot about that in the last 5 years, as you said. The open license doesn't really exist. So, there's hybrid use to factor in. There's even the EAs are changing. A lot of
Yeah.
businesses that are on enterprise agreements don't have access to those enterprise agreements as of right now. They moved from 500 was the minimum to 2,500 to now it's like 6,000 users. And so there's a lot of companies that are
Yes.
reevaluating their license stack, and we can help with that and help migrate all that. But it is an area that can get concerning and complicated. And we're good at navigating it for you.